kayo womo ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutuka miliyoni cy'ubusongo igiye konya ebintu au asili kulidigo kona n'umubuko mkonya bale ebintu by'ubwaga kibuna bono amabati kuri wasite company au emisumari y'ekingenjo cyonsi cyicuma cy'ubwaga cy'ekingenjo cyonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwilbaro chisimiti cy'ubwaga kuri wasite company au egati y'ebintu binde binge by'ubwaga mwigo mbabwa boards muna chiricha MDF egati y'ebintu binde ebinge asinsamu y'ebintu by'enyumba mkonya bale mattress cy'ekingenjo cyonsi nabige cheche size au mbabwata chitangi cheche size au mkonya bale boigo ebintu byokulya buna bono amabuta y'ekingeni kuri wasite company au amasi y'amandasi kuri wasite company au aya yokoruga chichumbi chisukali egati y'ebintu binde by'obutomeki Uhuru Superstores igababwa tobo korelyo buya chingatoko bule bintu asetukeye mbabwata customer care ibyego segasekera chi customer buya chingaki bakogora ebintu igababwata chigali icyo kigokora obusumbi busapi chingake kwagulire ebintu biga uchande onsi aliya sorabe igobagotoka ine yo mu cy'ubusongo ase nyumba ya JM Towers amine duka ya Safaricom ine yo mu cyokisi asamange bakeresi mbwetera sechi namba cyabo 0111161500 gose 0111116150 gose wetera senambele 0111161502 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Manchupolika nagukwani ndonsi asore nugoso kwani nganogendete gutwara ritkurigia nabego nogendete kwegokya nimurubiri gendete ya Getembe TV asenchira bene bonongo kwaligania ase ekionga chinsa 10 asenchira yobwenge tunyara ko batokuriga ya gendete kwene kiona togendete gukwaligania asenchira yobwekirano yekoroga chinsa nyechobotko bwa rero ncheni gonkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi Abigail Nyanchama kuro ase studio akabere na ro kombata sia kwene kamera gine chibicha ngochara asenchira renge kranseke abenento ikoma Karibu sana naendo mancho murigeria bono ekionga chinsa 10 asenchira yubwenga toko chaka na roboti ruchi semi asomroberio umuya bukubato ko bokonyi bwa amasomo gochia Sabaruka Beach University uyomanyikane buna New University Funding Model unyata ko bakogo tuguterware ne kigambere kenene aiga Kenya asomuna chebi na chacha muitanya to ko bakago teba igati yebitango biri byatogete ko ne kego tuguterare umuroberio yo ngamono go tabwatrani wa ne birengererio byabananchi asabona asabire ewizara yechisemi hinyar ko bage koranira emeroberio yogo chekoronga ya umuroberio yo nakone kyabune birengerero byabananchi andemo abebori abegaborokiwa nkonyara bale ko baba kubwatrani we birengerero byabo.
Implementation of the variable scholarship and loan funding model as currently stands contravenes Section 53 of the Constitution and the mandate of the Higher Education Loans Board and is unlawful. It's not subject to public participation despite its fundamental effect to the country's education system. The implementation of this new funding model also bypassed parliamentary oversight in violation of Article 95 sub-Article 5B of the Constitution. As already alluded to, education being a public good, the government has a positive obligation to ensure that Kenyan students have access to the courses they desire without hindrance through prohibitive policies. No prohibition is hereby issued prohibiting implementation of the variable scholarship and loan funding model until the government complies with constitutional and legal requirements where necessary. The Working Party was appointed in 2022 and submitted its report in June 2023 after students had applied for placement. The recommendations had not been made and the students could not have been now made aware of the cost of the courses and units in universities when they made the application.
Manchumuriya kubatkana nuko na choko kurwase ikigambere gekene gutugutirare umurubiri uyu muyebo kubato ko bokonye bwa masomo go cyasa baruka University nigo bono ewizara y'Ekisemi inse yoburayibwa mu waziri Julius Migosi Ogamba yanyara ko bage kwera emirubira kigo cyakobekwa kwaneke buna monchoria na kigo korekana asomurubiri uyu bunenkire mu yogo cyagwikiranya onsi korengana ne katiba nabo korengana negati yamamochari ikigambere kane cyanya ko bage konyora asomurubiri asabona tebire sector y'Ekisemi nigegenda tekone model
was introduced in 2023 and we are in the second year of implementation of that funding model, but it had a few challenges with respect to banding of the various students. We introduced an appeal system, but the president also formed a working party committee to relook into the whole funding model and refine it to ensure that the next cohort does not have the same challenges that were seen during the admission of the current cohort. So that committee is continuing to do the work. They have produced an interim report which we are going to look at, and then they will produce a final report, and once it is produced we will faithfully implement it and ensure that the funding model for the next cohort is fit for purpose, and it ensures that no student will be left behind.
Toska busuma njumuriria kero umuyiga bwesu gukogendete kwariganiwa asechinsemo niko bono esekta yoborendi ya nyarko bage kubeka emirobero yogo chigotinya oborendi ase county ya Mombasa eyorengete go chigotwara abagani abange chinga kichiga cyo kwarigania umuyigo yogo bwesu kuna bego chengera umakumuya abatani be sector oborendi ko ase county yo niko bono basabira bananchi ko bamaisona kwaneke bunanko bwate sebare abatani be sector oborendi go chakwaneke una chinga kichiga cyo chengera umuyigo yo oborendi mo chikwanekiwa.
This is the high time where the beaches are being polluted, and we want to encourage them that let us practice the restraint of polluting the beaches, because this is what we need for our livelihood in the coastal region. Because when we throw the plastics and other waste in the sea or in the beaches are not clean.
You may be walking and you find somebody looking like a beach boy, but essentially that will be a police officer, because we don't want people to come and start stealing things from those who are coming for the holiday. I want to assure them that through the multi-agency system, we have put measures in place. They have nothing to fear. We shall be having a help desk at the Pirates Beach, where we expect a huge crowd.
And we really urge them to not throw around. This is a marine area which is a plastic free area. We urge them and we urge our public please to be very responsible, not to come with plastic, especially the single plastic use here.
Toska busuma njumuriria habara ikurwa sorongo rwa Western Kenya bakorwa mu numujumbe webungi abumulo Mheshimiwa Jack Wamboka niko bana baru basaba ucyasomura ibwensi ya Kenya umuskule muruto na biga serikali ya Kenya kwanza koeneke bunango ikiraniere eira yo gucia koronge ya sector yesukari asenseme yo animo nasabona baru basaba gucyasaba amura ibwense anyara ko baka korigere chi company cyesukari korwa senseme cyabere cyariko kori bya samat kavangoga anamo ni gabara yabona bakwanire company yanzo ya sugar hasabona batebere niko yabeire yego twara obotenri borobobe gwikira boni gase basabira monchori ya sobotenri bwe company yunenchiremo yego chiko bakonya abari mikonya wale ngari yabo.
Mimi nilisema nikiwa mkwe na watu walinisikia kwamba hii Nzoia yetu wako wanauza chuma mpya, new machines. If indeed you are a good chairman, new factory inauzwa na ujui, you said wenyewe kwa redio, si maneno yangu. Miwa ya nuclear zinauzwa haujui. Miti kimisala kie factory over 100 million inauzwa kwa 1800 haujui. Then you are not supposed to be the chairman. I want to ask my good president, who is my friend Daktari William. Tusaka this man here in Nzoia na tumpeleke kotini, tuleta a new chairman in Nzoia. That is the thing I can ask my good president.
Serikali ilituahidi mambo matatu kwa mambo ya Nzoia. Mashini mpya, walipe wafanyikazi, walipe wakulima.
Toskabosio manchumo rigeria soko musanogo tindo kwa berego kwanekiwa egati yabo bisabobore nabego abananchi niko bono abo bisabobore ndi banyara ko baba gusaba kwaneke bunango twara baro bwa matobuya n'abananchi nabego abananchi nabarobo basabirwe kwaneke bunango baba baro bisabobore ndi chinga gichinyororo kero baganda taguikrania emirobere yabo yo gotinyo bore ndi ase chinsemo enigera chie kwanekia hokuikrania emirobere remia nabego kubwatira nokuya kocha kwaneke bunakiro monto nkomenyare asomorembe.
Moja tu ni kutulia. Treat people, all people equally. Treat people as required. Hakuna siri ingine. Anybody ameletwa kwako kama mchukiwa hajakosana na wewe. He has not wronged you. Ile kitu amekosea ndio ikithibitishwa kwamba alikosa ni sheria alikosa. Utambue watu. Mpaka utambue ndio uweze kujua, because human beings are like animals. They have different characters. So if you don't understand their characters, then you may treat them harshly.
Ile kitu mimi naomba nyinyi tushirikiane na nyinyi vile mlikuwa mnashirikiana na Bwana Rampas, tutashikilia nyinyi
tunasemanga ile ukiongozi mzuri, hata kama you enforce the law, kuna ile kitu inaitwa unauma ukipulisa. Unauma ukifanya nini? So ukiuma tu na uchungu, sasa hapo grudge inafanya nini? So unajua kuna vile utafanyia mtu na unafanyia ukicheka. That's different from unafanyia mtu ukifanya nini? Unasikia uchungu paka unaanza kulia. Let me tell you, police officers are also human beings. The way you treat them harshly, possibly they also tend to treat you what? Harshly.
Policing, you must interact with the people. And that is one thing that for me, I would say Mark Rampas has done.
Imagine an occasion ya a police officer ambao watu wamekuja na wamekaa hivi. Na mnajua wananchi na polisi ni maji na mafuta, si ndio?
Penye unaenda Mungu akulinde na kuongoze, may you prosper. Kwa vile hawa watu wa Naivasha, ukiona watu wamekuja hapa pamoja hivi, Naivasha is a community.
Toskabosio mancho morigereria Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga nigo wana kwanire okobane okororo korongo rwa Afrika kwene kebunango charoramo kubwatira nabune njiremo yogo chabukirania gukinia ebiranga sechi sector okwana hasomo yegabo kubekero gutokwa baroko be University ya Kabarak. Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga ibigore neganga yogo chekoria hobara bunyekero bubekyombe kya AUC nigo bona tebire asama onjore yerire barongo rwa Afrika horwanya ko baro gutoro mo chando korengana chinsemo chinde nigabarai na ndemona hababwata nikura sorongo lebonte go chama bune nchiremo yogo chakone kesege yokurona monchore yerire na chigo ikirania asenchirengia
of climate change. Africa is a victim. Africa is not the offender. Africa releases less than 5% of the carbon into the environment, yet we live with the consequences of climate change. The wars in Europe and the Middle East and the uncertainties surrounding the regime in the US are not making the world any more at ease. To the youth in this congregation, Africa needs your enthusiasm, imagination, courage, and ability to face the world as it is.
Atokoro manchomori sensemo yechigosori timu yechigosori chomupira bwamagoro ya Riasoe egoyue kutoka segodi ya Gesusu ebunga nyaribari Masaba county ya Kisii niganya ko bakegwesokya na gwakambu yamono gocha Sumurai Sagana oyonyara tokobaga ko babwatokera higati bintu byo barachi gutumika kwane kibona mbachigwikirania chigosori cyabo abe kwegandria hase ogokinya ebirengo byabo byechitalanta sibona basabire gati abaribande banyara ko babagwesokya na ko babwatasiya kwegandria anemono chinga kechiga abasaya bange barenka somo mukoyego mutambe bwesuku
amaletangoro ko Simon Kinara je kapiteni alisoe ero tuacha go Sagana kwa sababu kokonya na tokonya na le baba tokonya uniform na mbwa uniform na uniform ndanga mtonya kudira somo smith osimigo moyo yobwata ndre go konya bando konya basaye bali siko bali ndebe ngina bi banda bange turacha mutego na bako mwana sana litoria lero toika somo gambi Sagana Tunaenda kwa kufanya uniform. Ndio baada mjane mengi sana. Ngasa ipo kwa ndo tuna mambo juma tatu ali na ikulu. Uniform ndio hapo. Kwenda tokanya uniform tuzibatire game. Tanga tiambere ningambia muno itukedi rero. Timu yegari ya DSY FC mba requested mbaratire uniform. Ekogara barigiri uniform amatuka mange mbari konyora. Batemere gusaba kurwa gusaba kurumbare konyora lakini rero ese bwantire nabaretire ene suguku yabo ya mapema nabaire egera nabaro bakwende tournament mambiende barekanenga ni team igo ukonyi bondo bwensirande baratake nindo nyige kunyarekana nande mbakonyi ngokorera batabanga talent imiye wodi ya Yesusu talent inchiro sana utatugonda tayo kubwata abana abega maboko aruwa baro kinye talent yeye nitakire ko gendege gusiga gero umuntu agendere go kigoro alafu ngokorera gusaba Bible twachakire subuku abana barendo babere cinca abana mwana na mange n'ibintu n'ibingi bikogendera hagati yabona iga kurubono mbake subuku yakwera Bible barenda abana tekina kimoteba na abarayi baito na barabu barenga babekire security saini umuntu tara tsinza kiri na vokoro na stage to basabwika onyoro bokongira
Wekirago mwancho murigeria nhoto ikira mwerio we kionga chinsa ikomia senchira yobwenye korenda mange abiga senchira yobwikirano nege koraga chinsa ibere chiabo no botuko naboigo inye ase hurachi ko yanyora senchira yobwikirano choni ngoro kwa Clinton ndigi mbiamana sogo sangarinto ase chinga kechiga naboigo abiga nyanchama nero to bwata na kurwa sense moya kabere kwene kya murogine chibicha ngochara senchira ngi agenda gutware marwa bengia naboigo kwego kya nemero beri agendrete ya Getembe TV.
Etuka yo mwomo ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutuka miliyoni cy'ubusongo igiye konya ebintu au aseli gulidigo kona nk'umubuko nkonya bale ebintu by'ubwoga kibuna bono amabati kuri wasite company au emisumari y'ekingenjo cyonsi cyicuma cy'ubwoga cy'ekingenjo cyonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwilbaro chisimiti cy'ubwoga kuri wasite company au egati y'ebintu binde binge by'ubwoga mwigo mbabwa boards muna chiri cha MDF egati ebintu binde ebinge asinsamu y'ebintu by'enyumba nkonya bale mattress cy'ekingenjo cyonsi nabigiciro cy'ekizayizi au mbabwata chitangi cy'ekizayizi au nkonya bale boigo ebintu byokulya buna bono amabuta y'ekingenjo kuri wasite company au amasi y'amandasi kuri wasite company au aya yokoruga chichumbi chisukali egati ebintu binde by'obutomeki Uhuru Superstores igaba bwato bukorera obuya chingatuko bule bintu asetukeye mpabwate customer care ibyego segasegerera chi customer buya chingaki bakobora ebintu igaba bwate chigali ekyo chikokora obusombi busapi chingaki kwagulire ebintu biga uchande onsi aliasorabe igaba gutuka ine yo mu cyubusongo ase nyumba ya JM Towers angene duka ya Safaricom ine yo mu cyokisi asamange bakeresi mbwetera seti namba cyabo 0111161500 gose 0111116150 gose wetera senembele 0111161502 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone